हेलो एवरीवन, सत श्री अकाल मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों। मिन्नी की मिठास में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज हम बनाएंगे छोले कुलचे। So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. I kept the chole soaked in the water for overnight. Now we will be putting 1 glass of water into it, and I am adding 2 boiled potatoes, and I will be adding 1 spoon of salt according to the taste. And then I will be adding half spoon of turmeric powder. Now we will give just 5 to 6 whistles to it. Just wait. I'm just giving the whistles. Now you can see I gave the whistles, how they have become so soft. All the choles are soft and the potatoes are soft. Now I will just mix it and mash it as this I am doing it. Just mix it and mash it properly. Now I will be putting it into a bowl. All these we have to put in a bowl. Now I will be adding chopped onions. Then I will be putting chopped green chilies. Then I will be putting chopped tomatoes. Then half spoon black salt. Then I will be putting half spoon mango powder, or you can also put the amchur powder. Then I will be putting a little bit of salt. Then half spoon of dhania powder. Then half spoon of jeera powder. Then half spoon of the red chili flakes. If you're not having, you can just put the red chili powder. I'm also putting the red chili powder. That chana masala, half spoon chana masala and kali mirch. And now a little bit of lemon, 1 spoon of lemon. We will just squeeze in it and we will just mix it. I'm mixing it very properly. You have to mix so that each and every crunch in the taste should come. Now I have mixed almost properly and I am putting it on a plate. And now I will be garnishing it with the help of the coriander leaves and green chili. I will be garnishing with the green chili and the onions. So my chole kulche chole are ready to serve. Can you see? It's so delicious to eat. So you all should try this at once at your home. All will love it. Next recipe is stuffed atta kulcha. So a very healthy dhaba style paneer stuffed kulcha from the wheat flour is ready. You can see how I have made it. It's very delicious. All will love it. And you don't need any oven or a tandoor. On tawa it is made very beautiful. You can see it's how beautiful. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Just take 1 cup of atta and just add half spoon of sugar and then add salt according to your taste. Now add 1 spoon of baking soda, half spoon of baking powder, and we will just mix all of these very carefully. Just mix it very carefully. Now we will be putting 1 spoon of oil into it and 2 spoons of curd I will be putting into it. And now we will just mix it very carefully. Just mix it, and we will be adding a little bit of water into it. Just add very little, and we have to make a fine dough like atta. You can see how fine I have made. And now I will be greasing it with a little bit of oil. Just grease it all the corners. Now we will be preparing the stuffing. Now I have taken 200 gram paneer. I have grated it, and now I will be adding grated adrak and lasun's paste. And now I will be adding the chopped spring onions. There you can get it from the market, it's very easy, you can get it. And now I will be adding the salt according to our taste. Now I will be adding the chili flakes. If you're having, you can add the chili flakes. If you're not, no problem, it's an optional. Now I will be adding red chili powder, and then I will be adding garam masala. Then I will be adding chaat masala, and then amchur powder. If you don't have amchur powder, then you can also add mango powder or a little bit of you can just add 1 spoon of lemon. Okay, and then just I am mixing, and our stuffing is totally ready. Now coming over to the dough, just make the dough very smooth. Just roll it again, once again properly. Now I have taken a small batter for it, and we will make the roti, and we will just put a very small little bit of stuffing. Don't put so much of stuffing, just put a little bit of stuffing in the kulcha, and we will just fold it and seal from all the corners so that it can be done very easily. I have sealed it properly. Now just sprinkle a little bit of atta onto it, and we will just make roti as we make, just very slowly. And now I have made it. Now I am putting the kalonji seeds onto it and a little bit of coriander leaves onto it, and now just press it gently, very gently you have to press it, and now you flip it on the other side. Now just grease the other side with the help of a little bit of water. Just grease it, yes, like this we will be doing. Just grease it with the help of a water. And now the other side where I have greased with the water, I will be putting that side on the tawa. As you can see, I have put. Now the kalonji seeds and the coriander leaves will be putting on the above side, and the water which I flipped, that will be putting on the tawa side. So you can see how the bubbles are being made, how it's so becoming fluffy. Now we can just put the tawa like this, or if you want you can flip it also. If you want you can flip it, but it's because of water it stick to it. So now you can see how beautiful it is made. My stuffed kulcha is ready. I'm just greasing it with a little bit of oil. So tasty and so yummy, it's ready. You can see from other side also, I'm just showing you it's baked, it's totally baked. Like the breads are there, like we bake so many things, it's totally baked. You can see it. So it's very delicious, it's very yummy, you can see it. And I am just putting a little bit of melted butter, cheese onto it, so that it becomes very delicious, becomes very tasty to eat. And now I'm adding a little bit of coriander leaves, and now you can have it. So now our chole kulche are ready to serve. So if you liked this delicious recipe, please subscribe and share my channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.